Welcome to Kittyverse! Hello there, fantastic kids! Are you ready for a magical adventure filled with counting and fun? I'm your friendly magician host, and today we're going to explore the enchanting world of numbers and objects. Now, before we begin, let's make sure everyone has their magic wands ready. Wave your wands and say, Abracadabra! Wonderful! Now that we're all armed with our magical powers, let's dive into our first mystery. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of numbers? Imagine we have 3 groups of objects. In the first group, can you count them with me, one by one? Give them a wave of your magic wand as you count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 objects. Let's put number 7 in the line here. Boom! Amazing! Wonderful job! Now, let's move on to the second group. Let's count them together using our magic wands. Wave your wands and count along. Sparkles butterfly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 objects. Let's put number 10 with our magic wand. Fantastic! You're all amazing counters. Now, for our final group. Can you count them with the energy of your magic wands? Great! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outstanding! Give yourselves a round of applause. Now, for the ultimate magical challenge, take your magic wands and point them at the blank lines in front of you. Are you ready to reveal the answers with a wave of your wands? Now! Let's wave our wand. Boom! Awesome! Let's wave our wand again. Alakazam! Amazing! Behold, our first group of objects. I want you to count them with me, one by one. As you count, wave your imaginary magic wand and let the numbers come alive. Are you ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 objects. Let's put number 8 with the use of our wand. Glowing star, amazing job, young wizards and enchantresses. Now, get ready for our next group of objects. As you wave your magic wand once again, oh, awesome! Let's count them together, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic! Let's our wand and put down the correct number here. Awesome! Top hat spectacular! But the magic doesn't stop here. Brace yourselves for the grand finale, where we have an enchanting collection of objects. Are you ready to work your magic once more and count these incredible items? Boom! Let's count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job! Wave your wand, let the numbers dance, and fill in the magic line with the correct answer. Wonderful! Once again. Let's wave our wand. Alakazam! Look, we have 3 groups of objects here again. Rainbow, can you spot them? Let's count together, one by one. 1, 2, 3. Right! There are 3 objects. Let's put the number on the line. Fantastic! Our next adventure involves a group of 6 exciting objects. Are you ready to count them all? Here we go! With a flick of your magic wands, let's count these objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 objects. Let's put the answer here. Amazing! Now, let's move on to the second group with unique objects. Count along with me. Swish your magic wands and let's count. 1, 2. Great job! There are 2 objects. Let's put numbers in the line with this wand. Boom! Amazing! Bravo, young wizards and enchantresses! You've demonstrated your magical counting skills with flying colors. Thank you for joining me on this captivating journey filled with numbers and wonder. For more learnings and fun, check out more videos in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.